How to get private key from Coinbase. So the very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the source bar, you need to search for iancoleman.io/BIP39/. Once you have searched for it, it will land you on this interface. Now you will have to fill up some of the information over here. In order to do so, first of all head over to your Coinbase account on your mobile device. Once you are in here, head over to settings at the bottom right corner. And then head over to recovery phrase. You have to enter your password or your Face ID. Once you have entered, it will show you your secret recovery phrase that you use to recover your crypto. You simply have to copy this phrase. Once you have copied, go back to your previous page. In the BIP39 mnemonic, you simply have to paste the phrase that you have just copied before. Once you have entered, now inside the coin, you have to select the Bitcoin Cash. Once you have entered, scroll all the way down and it will land you on this interface. So over here at the top left, the first one is gonna be your address, the second one is your public key, and the other is private key. And this is simply how you can get the private key from your Coinbase. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.